right now we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. I'm in my, oh look, this is so great right now. I'm in my car. My dad's outside with my mom. The car that my mom has, the wheel popped off. The wheel just popped off and it was jumping everywhere. And there's a lot of rain. Oh, you can hear it. It's like so, geez. Whoa, I just saw a lightning strike. Look, Brad, look, there's like a dude like recording right. It's raining so hard. Whoa. I'm actually kind of scared the window is gonna break. And oh, look at that NASCAR. Wait. Look at that NASCAR. Yeah, I'm really scared of windows about to break and I'm gonna get wet. What? Look, that dude is recording. What? This is so scary. What? Look at this. Bruh, look at that. It's raining so hard. And the lightning is like really hard. Bro, look at that man. He's like stupid. He's recording. I don't think I can see him though. Oh, fine. It's calm me down. Whoa, it looks so crazy. Something I didn't want to hear. My entire life. I don't want to be in here. Mom! 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 It's so scary. Oh, also, I'm entering school tomorrow. Well, not entering, I'm off to like vacation. Ow. Out of vacation. Whoa. You know the gutters? It's like a fountain. Oh, wow. Dude just ran. Fell in a puddle. Whoa! What? There's like so much light. This is so scary. Run! I'm a ballet. I know how to do ballet. Ballet. Stop recording! Get electrocuted, I'd be laughing. What? You guys can't even see him, okay? Oh, whatever. There's like so much water. Oh, jeez, look at that car. There's so much water. It's like a empty. Basically like a river. I want to go outside. Oh, jeez, it's so cold that there's. What? Look at this. It's so cold. I can do this. This is me right now. Wait, can you see this? Oh my god.